Adding a wire transfer account to Etrade allows you to transfer funds to and from your brokerage account efficiently. Here's how to set it up. Log into your Etrade account. Visit the Etrade website or open the Etrade mobile app. Enter your username and password to access your account. Navigate to Transfers. In the main menu, go to the Transfers tab or Account section. Select Transfer Money or Transfer Funds. Add wire transfer instructions. Select Wire Transfer. Choose the option to add or set up wire transfers. Provide bank details. Enter the required information for your external bank account, including bank name, bank address, account number, routing number, your account name and address. Verify and confirm. Submit details. Review the entered information for accuracy. Confirm. Follow any additional verification steps, such as confirming micro deposits if required. Etrade may verify the bank account through small deposits that you will need to confirm. Complete setup. Approval. Once the details are verified, your bank account will be linked for wire transfers. Initiate wire transfer. Transfer funds. Use the wire transfer option to move funds between your Etrade account and your linked bank account.